In this first question, we need to find the limit of x approaching 6 algebraically. First, we need to look our numerator and denominator and look what we can factor out. In the numerator, we take out the greatest common factor. In the denominator, we find the difference of cubes, which formula is shown right now. In our numerator, we find out that we can still factor out or expand our parentheses. Now we need to look for something to cancel. But first, we need to change our 2 to a negative to make it into x minus 6. Now we copy our denominator, which does not multiply each other, because if not, as Mr. Siad says, you will suffer. So now we cancel out, leaving us with a negative 2 times 6 plus x in our numerator, and in our denominator, our x squared plus 6x plus 36. After canceling out, we can now substitute. In this case, we will substitute the 6 that was given to us in each x in the formula. Leaving us with a negative 24 in the numerator and a 36 plus 36 plus 36, which is equal to 108. So our final answer, simplified, is negative 2 all over 9. In this question, we will need to find the derivative by definition of f of x equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 1. First, we will need to plug in our basic formula, which is shown right now. Do not make the mistake of leaving the 3 and the 4 inside the parentheses. Now we expand our parentheses of 3x plus h squared and 4x plus h. Our last parenthesis will be multiplied by a negative. After doing that, we copy our humongous formula. For our next step, we will need to be very careful of what we cancel out. We find that we have a 3x and a minus 3x squared, so they both cancel out. We have a 4x and a minus 4x, so they cancel out, as well as a 1 and a minus 1. So we are left with a 6xh plus 6h squared plus 4h. So we have a greatest common factor of h. So we factor, leaving us the option of cancel out h's. Since h is equal to 0, our 6h is cancelled because it's a 0, leaving us with a final answer of 6x plus 4.